Hello audience, you're welcome to Afolat Tutors. In this video, we'll be looking at how to create a shortcut on a desktop. To do that, you come to the start menu. This is the start menu. Then you click. Then you go to all apps, or you check. For example, now I would like to use Microsoft Word as my shortcut on the desktop. Is there any Microsoft Word here? If there's none, you come to all apps. Then you search for Microsoft Office. Just come to this and you click the button. Now, this is Microsoft Office. Then you click on this arrow. Then you search for Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office, here is it. So to create a shortcut, you click. When I say click, you use your left button. You click. Then you won't release the mouse. Then you drag it outside on the desktop. That's all. Is it clear? If you are not clear, please try it again. You come to the start menu, you click. Then you check for Microsoft Word. If it is not here, then you go to all apps. You drag it down. You scroll down to M. Under M, we have Microsoft Office. You click. You get to scroll down again. Then we have Microsoft Office Word. You click, that is the left key. When you click, you don't release the key, then you just drag it. You use your mouse to drag it outside to your desktop. So this is how you create your shortcut. Let me create shortcut for another application. Let's say I want to create shortcut for Microsoft Office PowerPoint. You just click on it, then you drag it outside. That is all. Is it clear? You come to the start menu, you click. I would like to create a shortcut for, let's say I want to create a shortcut for Microsoft Office Excel. All I need to do is I'll scroll down to Microsoft Office. You click on Microsoft Office. Then under Microsoft Office, you search for your desired application. So here I'm using Microsoft Excel, right? So I have to come down, I have to go up again, click on Microsoft Office, then I'll look for Excel. Here is Excel. You click, then don't release the mouse, then you drag it outside. So that is all for this video. Thank you.